Good enough.
Good.
All right.
You eating?
Mukbang.
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 How are you gonna? Am I supposed to be the cameraman? I'll be the cameraman, y'all. Mmm. You watching the Indian horny? Hold up. Okay.
That's a warm up? Oh yeah, 100%.
Did your ice cream ever come?
Playing in the whole being on my knees. What is he talking about?
I'm gonna go watch.
There's still two more.
I'm not done.
I'm gonna go watch.
You took them all? Oh, it's because your food was getting fat. That's what I said. I'm trying to be a product. Put me in every position. Whoa, I've never worn cleats before. Like football and soccer, I've never worn cleats. I know what to do. That's wrong. That's wrong. I have a
edge
wrong
me?
mentality off the street.
Yes, sir. I'll go watch.
What's your receipt?
See, I'm not gonna lie, you run like a fat nigga. I don't care if you might coach it.
McFry? This is the McFry. This is the McFry. Oh, that's
Everywhere we go.
Oh, no. Hey,
Oh, we're missing it.
what is this?
Yeah.
Go.
I'll go now.
Go. Go. I'm giving you room. Go.
What the hell? Don't do it.
It's a main duo. Okay.
All right.
We eat them. Get this.
I see on the pizza on the wall.
Big Mac. Double quarter pounder.
And I'll get some nuggets.
Love the Big Mac. This is my place. We got large fries. I can't tell this is mine. No. What? Is that Fernando's? This one's mine. I don't want to eat his because I'm scared. This his?
Did he have this one?
You know, I don't know. I remember. You know what? I'm gonna think this is mine.
That one has more.
I don't know. Let's see.
I'm trying to get a bucket, nigga. I'm not letting that happen.
Not what I asked for. It's not what I wanted.
Oh yeah, that's it. Bring your fries. Are you eating his fries? Your fries I throw on the ground?
I forgot which ones are mine.
I can buy you another one. You good?
Let's practice some ball control. Let's practice some ball control. Let's go. Nice, nice. Nice. Stop it and then pass. Okay, this your first time?
I can't understand. Are you serious?
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice. Pass in, but with your inside foot. So instead of sideways, like that. Wherever you pass in the other leg, pointing to, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
That's good, that's good, that's good.
You took a bite of it.
Me. I feel like a while ago, man.
Okay. Just like how you pass it, just like right there.
That was good.
Buddy, I'm gonna put
Good.
because what I'm scared of is
good,
when
though?
you're on the field, they pass the ball
what I asked for,
really
though.
hard, right?
Oh, wow.
Like that.
I got my whipped cream in my tent.
Ooh, ooh.
You
Good,
went
good, good, though.
Oh yeah, he's ready for the drill. He's
Not
ready
my
for the
way.
drill. What, the passing? We'll do that, we'll do more after we stop. You get the ball, dribble through the cones, pass it right here. I give you a through ball, you go over there, get it back, shoot. Corner to corner? No. So, because you're gonna be probably gonna be forward because they gonna see you faster. You're gonna be forward. It ain't the only person that's faster than you. That's probably it. And nobody speed on your team. Pure speed. I'm faster speed. Pass it right here. I'll pass it back. You grab it. You can't use your hands. So how am I gonna grab it? Buddy, I'm gonna make you take it back. So you take the ball, you dribble through the cones. Move there, pass it. And then you, just like that. Hell yeah. Stop the ball. Expedia members get member prices and rewards for future trips.
Gotta log in, my ball.
Finally, who is the baller that can heal teammates with his super? It's Pogo. He uses his super to heal himself and nearby teammates.
I'm gonna. You send this to the group chat so I can watch them whenever I get hungry. I like it and the you bought me across.
Let's go. Ooh. Through the coast. Oh, you just pass it. You just get touched. No. Don't do that in the UK. Do not do that in the UK, gang. Bro, you started so good, though. There we go. You just passed Chunk. You just passed Philly. You just passed Nico. There you go. Go. Who wants that work? Who? God damn. Philly just took a shot, they scored, and you lost the ball. That was your conversion.
Me and this prize.
Yup, pass. Nice. Shot.
I think those were the fries on the floor. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I ate the one from the floor.
What do you mean?
He ate the
You
one.
think he scored? What happened? How could you score?
Someone threw it.
Away.
It wasn't even me. I didn't even move. It literally just fell because it was.
Why is it?
Next
It
thing
was on
you
the.
gonna
It was on the
practice now?
tip. Why is it?
the outside, ref?
It's just bouncing.
I don't know because they messed it. They messed it up. I don't know. It's like a strange phenomenon. I guess.
If you can do this, you probably score.
We got cream, sugar, mac, coffee. I didn't
I
ask
feel
for
like
this.
you will,
You
bro.
Please someone do your job, bro.
Somehow you do that. A lot of shit. You should like you be trying stuff, and then like.
I said I forgot. You forgot what they called the caramel thing, and they said just take
Once
this.
you pass the second cone,
Like
come
word by
around,
word.
cross it.
He did not feel like making it.
You cross this
Yeah.
whatever is here. Just like that. You say, hey, throw ball. Go.
Now we run 20 laps to burn up the calories.
Cross it. Nice. Jason, finish.
No longer.
You
No more.
Why are you playing?
because they'll probably be a defender.
Yeah, no more. You're gonna make your money away.
I'll
Chuck
be
is
up.
different right there. Okay,
I
go,
said,
go,
no,
go,
I'm
go.
back. Nah,
That's salty.
Pass it, Yo,
Huh?
finish.
She works here?
Yeah.
She works here?
Ball up like when you kick. You want to
No, so confused.
Thank you.
go.
They're using you as sugar daddy.
Oh yeah.
So sugar daddy. Oh, Mario, the sugar daddy. And then you over here watching Roblox anime games. And then you
Sugar
go
daddy?
Huh?
You want sugar daddy?
Huh? I'm broke right now.
He doesn't got anything else.
I got nothing. I paid for all of this, so.
Yeah.
Okay, most of it.
No, literally everything. What do you mean?
Most of it.
Most of it, like,
This, I asked for it, so I paid
You know you
the
bastard,
ordering
right?
fee.
So if I'm coming like this, all you gotta do is you don't have to dribble. Just
I didn't know there was an ordering fee.
Where's your sister?
Go ahead and let me get that
Where's your
video.
sister?
Yeah.
Video
Told her it was a
saver.
free
you're
fly.
doing good, bro.
How about you die?
You want the mic, man?
If the Mario
Tell us to give us some
I
free
want you
fries.
to
That's
hear me breathing. Oh, careful.
I think this is the right thing. It just doesn't look like the picture. Why can they not see me?
Forwarding towards not you.
This fat guy ate almost all the burger. Show them the burger. Show them the burger.
I'm about to finish it.
How if I post this on YouTube?
You won't.
Say I won't. I will. Watch me.
You think I'll probably miss you. Well. Let's go to Walmart.
There's no Walmart.
We gotta drive.
We got our heritage teacher.
We gotta drive. We gotta drive. Target closer.
How many people are they choosing with us? $3.
Like an infinite money glitch. All they gotta do is ask. Put your foot down.
Oh my god, look at the fries.
I'm saying.
Man, I better be your sister too.
I hope you die.
I'll be fat by the end of this, right?
Does Sean already finished his food?
Yes.
So,
Show them.
show them the food. Yeah.
See it?
My phone is not covered in grease. My phone is not covered in grease.
Yeah, stop throwing yourself. You're drinking, bro. I'm about to eat.
I'm saying.
Third one.
Look at the cow. Look at yourself eat. Like a fat pig.
It's okay to be fat.
Look at
Eat
Tik.
it.
You don't upload this.
Make it
You don't
bite
upload.
it.
You don't upload this to YouTube, and they're gonna take your head to me like that.
This now make it take the edit of you. 3, 2, 1, pose.
Yeah, man. I told you we gave you some free food. I literally said
He gave you free food? She gonna get me some free food, right?
Die.
Nah.
Alright, bro.
Bro,
Finish one fry.
you got the milk? She got the milk. We saw that. It's good.
I'm ready for my food.
Huh?
I'm ready for my food.
Even this?
A little bit left, but it's too sweet.
It's too sweet.
I feel the diabetes coming in.
It's okay to have diabetes.
I'll never get that shit. No, never get it.
Okay, guys.
What did you say? Okay, yeah, for what's he doing?
I'll never get that either.
What's he getting up for? You went to the bathroom? Okay, go. No, you have to read it, bro. We're not gonna like look at you. We don't care. We don't care. We don't. Please stop touching me.
Oh, you're ready to go in the bathroom? I'm gonna break the door down.
Watch the TikTok edits of this guy coming in. They're gonna make TikTok edits like right now with the. Come on, give him the space. Bam, and this is gonna be the intro. What?
What's like one edit? You could be like that guy, like, why is there no edit on me? Am I really that ugly? And then you start to edit.
No way this nigga blatantly ignored me when I was speaking directly to him and we made eye contact. No, it's all good, bro.
Stop touching me. Why are you touching my hair? You literally. I don't know when. Like I don't know if you know this, but like my hair is wet. It's really fragile. Why are you touching my hair?
No, I know.
Alright, so that's how niggas act down here? No. He's not talking to you, gang. Listen, I'm about to whoop his ass here in a second.
14 minute video.
No. Big fat. There you are, man. Spider hoodie.
Oh yeah. We vlogging, bro. We left in charge.
Vulture pants.
I'm saying.
Oh my goodness.
Wrong drink.
This nigga said shut your ass up. Shut your ass. Look, you're not even walking away from you. I love the thing you said that.
My earrings come out.
Hmm?
My earrings come out.
Where'd it go?
In the pool. I think when I was grabbing them, that's when. What? Do I have quarters? Like an actual quarter? Here.
You thought this?
Is that quarter?
Is it
I can't tell
dime?
that's a quarter. That's a dime? Is that a dime? Or what I just do is a dime? Hey,
I
money's
don't
money,
even
bro.
know.
Keep money. I'm like,
What up? You too. Guys,
Stop touching my hair.
Thumbnail.
Touching me. Why are you touching my
Dog.
hair? Thank you. This sounds like the only one I know is not to touch me.
They're gonna post it and gonna be like, somebody smell. Somebody smell.
What's the point? What are you doing?
I need it.
It's literally a quarter.
Yeah, I need that. I need that.
Take the quarter. Take the quarter.
Okay, now I need to swallow it so I can do OnlyFans.
I forgot we were all over food. We still drinking and eating. We just came here like losing.
I don't even got food no more. I'm sitting here
Y'all
like
didn't
a
want to
loser
make a
too.
mukbang. I would be watching YouTube right now.
No.
That's the end of the mukbang. Two. That's the end of the mukbang. And
I'm still guilty.
that's the end of the mukbang. Make sure to tune in, and eventually another one will show up.
I saw some more on my food page. I saw mango on my food page. I said mango. I guess it was the mango.
I already said it. I'm not gonna cut that out. I'm not editing nothing.